Welcome to Math Club children. Today you are going to learn about the new chapter, that is factorization. Before going to the chapter, I'm going to explain some basic concepts. You know about factors, right? So before that, you should know what are prime numbers. I'll give you some examples here. What are the factors of 2? That is, 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. Write the factors of 3, 1 and 3. It is not divisible by any other number, right? Write the factors of 5, that is 1 and 5. 7, 1, 7. 11, 1 and 11. Means these numbers are not dividing by any other number. E numbers bere yav table allo baralla. Okay, I'll list out some more examples. Write the factors of 4. It is divisible by 1, 2, and it comes in 4 table, right? Write the factors of 6. It is divisible by 2. It comes in 3 table and then 6 table. What about 12? It is divisible by 2, 3, 4, and 6. Write the factors of 15. It comes in 3 table, 5, and 15, right? See, if you see the numbers here, these numbers are having only 2 factors. Okay, 1 and the number itself. Here, if you see these numbers, there are more than 2 factors. Factors are 4, there are 3 numbers, 4 numbers are there, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that, okay? So, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬರೀ 2 factors ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ one is 1 and another one is the number itself. Okay, see all the numbers, so all the numbers are divisible by 1. Always while writing the factors, you should start with the number 1. Okay, 1 in the start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So these numbers are called prime numbers. Prime numbers. The numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Right? And which is the smallest prime number? Means that is 2. 2 is the smallest prime number which should have 2 factors. What about 21? Is it prime number or composite? It is a composite number. 21 comes in 3 table and also 7 table. Okay, children? See, a number in the bittu bere yav table allu bandirbadu. For example, take 13 children. 13 is prime number, right? It is not divisible by any other number. And also 19 and 23. So like this, these are called prime numbers and composite numbers. So while doing factorization, you should know which are prime numbers and which are composite numbers. That's why I'm explaining. And then you know how to write the factors and you know which are prime numbers. Okay. And you have to write the prime factors for 12. Prime factors. So prime factors barita hogbeku. How to write prime factors for 12? That is 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 2 into 2 into 2. See here we have all prime numbers here. And you know prime factorization method, right? No, HCF and LCM ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. HCF ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we have to take only prime numbers, right? 2 6 are 12, again 2 3s are, again 3 1s are. See 2 into 2 into 3. That's what we have written here. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Next, write for 18. How will you write prime numbers for 18? Divided by 18. So prime numbers matra tegobeku. 2 9s are 18. Right, children? Again, 9 is not divisible by 2. Then go for 3. 3 3s are 9. Again, divided by 3, 3 1s are. 1 ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. And what are the factors here? 2 into 3 into 3. If you don't know to write directly like this, you can follow this method, children. No problem. Okay, so like this, we have to write the prime factors for the given numbers. Okay, next. And like this, we have to write for variables also. So in algebraic expressions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು variables ಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು factors ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. For example, and also you should know how to take the common factor. For example, expression is like this: xy plus xz. Here, which is common factor? Common yaudide illi? Here we have x and here also we have x. So you have to take outside the bracket. Okay, x common agi tagondre, what is remaining here? That is y plus here it is z. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು factorization ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. I'll give you one more example. ABC plus BC. Which is common here? BC is common in both. Take it outside the bracket. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. So BC ಹೋದ್ರೆ what is left here? That is A plus, if the BC has taken outside, so you can write 1. If there is no number, you have to write 1. So this is what idana navu factorization anta helteve. Okay, I'll give you some more examples. 2x and 4y. What is common in both? First see the numbers. 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 4 ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದು common? If you want to write like factors ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ. So both are divisible by 2. So you can take 2 as common factor, or you can write it as 2x na ನಾವು 2 into x. 4y can be written as, so how to write 4? That is 2 into y. See 1 2 is common, right? So 2 is common. Take it outside the bracket. What is remaining here? X plus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 2y ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? 2 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ x ಇದೆ. So 1 2 ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? 2 2s are. Write the 2 here, y as it is. So ಈ ತರ ನಾವು split ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. I'll give you one more example. 5x square and 10xy. What is common here? In the numbers 5 and 10 both are divisible by 5. ಎರಡು 5 table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Take it outside the bracket. We have x square here. It is x. So 1x na ನಾವು common ತೆಗಬಹುದು. Okay, 5 is common and we had taken 1x as common factor. So how much remains here? 1 x ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು x ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Right children? So plus 5 ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೆಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 5 2s are 10 ಅಂತ. Okay, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10. X is common and y is remain. So this is called factorization. Let us move on to the exercise, children. First main 14.1, find the common factors of the given terms. Let us see one by one. Exercise 14.1, 12x and 36. So ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ. 12 is common, so x ಇರತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 12 3s are, right no children? So ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 12x ನ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, so that is 2 into 2 into 2 2s are 4. Next 4 3s are 12 into x. How will you write 36? 36 can be written as, if you don't know, you do here children, no problem. 2 illa 3 ಇಂದ divide ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, if you take 3, in the next step you will get 2, no problem. But what is the condition? You should take only the prime numbers. Okay, 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So how many times you can divide 3? Once. We are writing the quotient here. Okay, 3 ones are 3, 6 ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 times. So 3 into 12, 12 3s are 36. Next, again divided by 2. We have 12 here. How many times it is divisible? 2 6 are 12. Again divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 is not divisible by 2. So go for 3. Next prime number is 3. 3 ones are. So how can you write this? Write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Understood? So which are common here? Say 2 is common. Here 2 is common. 3 is common. Right now children? So common factors. Write the common is equal to 2 comma 2 comma 3. See, if you multiply 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is the answer. So what is common factor in both? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. See, 12 is common ಅಲ್ವಾ? 12 ತಾನೇ ಕಾಮನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12. 12 ones, 12 3s are ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 12 is common. We'll go for the next question. Two y 22 xy. So 2y can be written as 2 into y. 22 xy can be written as 2 into. So we know that it is divisible by only 2. 11 2s are, right? 11 is a prime number. So 11 2s are 22 x into y. So what is common here? 2 is common, y is common, right? That is 2 into y. That is equal to 2y. What are the common factors in both the terms? That is 2y. Next question. 14pq and 28p square q square. Okay, children, will you try to write directly? See, 14 ಇದೆ, 28 ಇದೆ. See, both are divisible by 14. ಎರಡು 14 table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 14 is common and PQ is common, right? No, 14 PQ is common in both. So no factors ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? That is equal to 2 into, so right here 2 7s are 14. See, 7 is prime number. It is not divisible by any other number, so divided by 7. So how to write 28? 2 1s 2, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 7s are 7. Right, children? 2 into 7 into p into q. How will you write 28p square q square? That is only 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7. P square na heg baritira? P into p into q into q. What is common here? 1 2 is common, barkoli, and 1 7 is common, right? P and p are common. You should write only 1 p, children, not 2 p's. Q and q common. Okay, see, 7 2s are 14. P into q is PQ. See, we got 14 PQ correctly. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, but this is basic. No, now you are learning, so you have to write the factors and find it. Fourth question. 2x, 3x square and 4. See, is there any common factor? You have to see all the 3 terms, children. See, 2 ide, 4 ide, but here 3 ide, no common. X ide, but here we don't have x. So what is the common? And then no common factor, alva? So answer is 1. So let us see how to write 2x. 2 into x anta barkoli. 3x square as 3 into x into x. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. We don't have 2 here. So, x, no common factor. Right? No common factor. So, answer is 1. Next to fifth question. 6abc and 24ab square 12a square b. See 6, 24 and 12, all the numbers come in 6 table, right? So 6 is common. A is common. B is common. And C illa. What is your answer? 6AB barbeku. Okay, let us see how to write. 6ABC can be written as 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. A into B into C. How to write 24? 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So we write 2 1s, 2 2s. Again divided by 2. 2 6 are 12. 6 na matte divide ಮಾಡಿ 2 3s are 6. Again 3 1s are. Write 2 into 2 into 2. 3. A into B into B. We have B square here. Write B into B. Just split ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Then A into A into B. A into A into B. What is common? 2 is common in all. Write 1 2. Then 3 ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes, 3 3 3. So 3 terms ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೆ 3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 3 ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. A A A A ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. Next B B B is common. C is not there. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಿರಾ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. 2 3s are 6. A B. This is the answer. ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಗಾಗ್ಲೇ ಬಂತು 6AB. Next to sixth one. 16x cube minus 4x square in 32x. So 16x cube can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. See, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s is 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. X into X into X. Next to minus 4x square. How can you write this? Write first minus 1. 2 into X into X. Next to 32x children. So 32x now heg baribodu. We had 16 banide. Just write one more time. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. Yes. 2 2 2. 1 2 common ಇದೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 separate ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ. And one more 2 is common. And we have 2 here, but there is no 2. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 2 ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. X X and X. X X X common ಇದೆ. Okay. That's it. We have X here, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 1 X ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು common ಇಲ್ಲ. What is your answer? 4x is common. Seventh question. 10pq, 20qr and 30rp. So 10, 20, 30, we know which is common. Yes, 10 is common. What about P? P is not common. Q is not common. R is not common. So 10 is the answer. So 10 PQ can be written as 2 into 10 ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು 2 into 5 P into Q. 20 can be written as 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, Q into R. Next 30 RP. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, R into P. So what is common here? 2 is common and 5 is common. Very inyaudu common illa. 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. Eighth sum. 3x square y cube comma 10 x cube y square 6 x square y square z. 3 10 6. 10 is not divisible by 3, so there is no any common factor here. So x square x cube x square ಇದೆ. So x square is common in all. X square ಇದೆ. Y cube y square y square. Yes, y square ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. So answer is x square y square. Write 3 x square y cube is equal to write 3 into x into x y into write 3 times children. Y cube ಇದೆ 3 times ಬರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. 10x cube y square. How to write 10? 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. X into x into x into y into y. 6x square y square z. 2 3s are 6. X into x y into y and z. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಸಹ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, 2 ಇಲ್ಲೆರಡಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. 1x is common and one more x is common. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ y is common. We have one more y is common, but z ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So what is the answer? X square y square. Next, second main, factorize the following expressions. In that first question, 7x minus 42. Okay children, I'll see 7x minus 42 na ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ 42 is divisible by 7 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 7 ಮತ್ತೆ 42 ಎರಡು 7 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, 7 ಮತ್ತೆ 42. 42 is multiple of 7, so take 7 outside the bracket. What is remaining here? 7 ಹೋದ್ರೆ x ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, x ಇರುತ್ತೆ minus as it is. So what will which number you are going to write here? So 7 table ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. 7 6 are 12 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So write that 6 here. That is 7 into x minus 6. That is your answer. Second question. 6p minus 12q. Here also first see the numbers children. 6 and 12 both come in 6 table alva. 6 1 6 2. So take 6 outside the bracket. Here we have p but it is q. So no common factor. 6 common ಇದೆ, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ 6 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರತ್ತೆ? p ಇರತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್. ಸೊ 12 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಂಬರ್? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, right? So write the 2 here. Understood? And q. So this is your answer. Next to third question. 7a square plus 14a. First see the numbers 7 and 14. Both are multiples of 7, right? So take 7 outside the bracket. Here we have a square ide, illi namge a ide. So one a na common factor tegobahudu. Right? We have a square here and a here. Take 1a as common factor. Then 7 hogide and 1a na ನಾವು common factor ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. So how much remains here? We have only 1a. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ್ಯಾ? A into a is a square. If you want to verify the answer, children, see here. ನೀವೇನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತೆಗಿತೀರಾ ಅದರಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ 6 into p. 6 into p is 6p minus 6 2s are 12 into q. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ್ಯಾ? 7a into a is a square, right? Plus 14 is a 7 2s are 14. A is common, so this is your answer. Fourth sum, minus 16z plus 20z cube. Which is common here? We have 16 and 20. We can take 4 as common factor, right? Both are multiples of 4. And we have one z here. One the z na common tegana. We have minus here. Write minus as it is. 4 4s are 16 plus here 4 5s are 1 the z hogide. So what is remaining here, children? So we have z cube here and we have taken 1 z outside. So how many are there? Z into z, that is z square. So this is the answer. 4z into minus 4 plus 5z square. Next question. Fifth sum, 20 L square M plus 30 A L M. See, while writing X, L, write correctly. If you write like this, you will confuse whether it is 1 or L. Okay. And X also, if you someone will write like this. Okay. X into na anta gotagala. So careful agi baribeku. So we have 20 and 30, which is common. Both are multiples of 10. Okay. Take 10 as common factor. Okay. And L ide, illi namge L ide. One the L na ನಾವು common ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. We have M here. Here also we have M. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? See, 20 and 30 both come in 10 table, right? No, children. So take 10 as common factor. L square ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ L ಇದೆ. So ನಾವು ಒಂದು L ನ common ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ವಿ. M ಇದೆ M ನ common factor ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. Now we have 20 here. How much remains here? Say 10 table, 10 2s are. And we have taken 1 L as common factor. So one more L is remaining. Plus 10 3s are 30. A L M are common. So this is your answer. 10 LM into 2L plus 3A. Next question. Five x square y minus 15x y square. So what is common here? We have 5 and 15. Both are multiples of 5. So take 5 outside, children. X square ide, x ide. So what is common here? 1 the x na ನಾವು ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. Y square. Take 1y as common factor. 5xy is common. So what is remaining here? 1 the x irutte. Minus. We have 15 here. So 5 3s are 15. X is common. 1 y is common. So we have one more y. That is 5xy into x minus 3y. 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. Say 10, 15 and 20. All are multiples of 5. Alva? 5 multiples agide. So take it outside. And a square, b square, c square, no common. So 5 hogide andande. So in baritira, say 5 table. 5 2s are 10, a square. Right, minus as it is. We have 15 here. 5 3s are 15. Next, 5 4s are 20. So answer is 5 into 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. Eighth question. Minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. What is common here? 4 is common in all. Okay, minus idre idkolli adra bagge ಈಗ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಬರೀ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Say 4 is common in all. I will take it outside the bracket. A square a ಇದೆ. So least ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು a square ನ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ because we have only a here, right? No, so we can take only one a as common. So minus ide, don't forget to put minus sign. 4 hoitu and we have taken 1a, so there is one more a, right? Plus 4a is common, b is remaining, right? Minus 4 and a is common, right? C. This is the answer. Next to ninth one. X square yz plus xy square z plus xyz square. We have x square, but in x ide. We can take only one x as common. Y square y is in all. One y tagoda z. If there is z square in all, we can take z square as common. Okay, but ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ z square ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ z ಇದೆ. So ಒಂದು z ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. So x square ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1z already we had taken. So there is 1x, yz is common, right? Plus x common, z common, ಒಂದು y ಹೋಗಿದೆ. So there is one more y. xy common and one z common ಹೋಗಿದೆ. We have one more y. This is your answer. Tenth sum. Ax square y plus bx y square plus cxyz. See a b c ಇದೆ, no common. X square x. See take x as common factor. Y square y ಇದೆ, so we can take one y as common, right? Z illa, yes. xy is common. What is remaining here? A is remained and one x ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು x ಇದೆ, y already taken. Okay, are you getting, children? So b x ಹೋಗಿದೆ, y square ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು y ಹೋಗಿದೆ. We have one more y. Right, C, x and y are common. So C, Z. This is your answer. Next, third main children, factorize. First question, x square, we have 4 terms here, xy plus 8x plus 8y. We have 4 terms here. So you have to take the common factors. We have to group the numbers here, okay? Because ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಗೆ 4 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ದಿಸ್? We can group first 2 terms and second 2 terms. ಅಂದ್ರೆ first and second one group ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, and we have grouped third and fourth terms. So what is common here? X square x. We have x is common in both the terms. Take it outside the bracket. See, ನೀವು ಇದು ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. X is common in both. Write x. What is remaining here? 1x. X ಹೋಗಿದೆ. We have y here. Which sign we have? Plus sign. Write as it is. So what is common in both? 8 is common in both. Write 8 into x plus x ಇದೆ plus y ಇದೆ. See, ನಾವು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ x plus y ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ x plus y ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? Now we have 2 terms. This is one term, this is another term. What is common in both? X plus y is common. Okay, take it outside the bracket. X plus y ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ x plus y ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? x plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಇದೆ. This is one term and this is one expression. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Understood? So we are making into 2 groups, children. First 2 terms now one the group ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, and we have grouped another 2 term, third and fourth terms. Okay, what is common here? X is common. Take it outside the bracket. So x plus y ಇದೆ. Put plus sign as it is. Here 8 is common in both. So x plus y. Now we have 2 terms here. X plus y is common in both. Take it outside the bracket. So what is remain here? ಇದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಬರೀ x ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಇದೆ. So what is our answer? X plus y, x plus 8. See, these are the factors of these expressions. Okay, we'll go for the next question. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. So I'm going to group first 2 terms here. Okay, common ಬರೋ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Otherwise we can interchange the order of the numbers, no problem. Okay, but along with the sign ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ. We have 2 groups here. Okay, what is common here? We have 15 and 6. Both are multiples of 3, right? Take it outside. So x ಇದೆ, x ಇದೆ. Right, children? 3x is common in both. So 15 ಇದೆ. 3 5s are 15. X is common. So y is remain minus 3 1s are 3 2s are. X is common. So 2 ಇದೆ. Now write plus as it is. What is common here? Nothing is common. ಏನು common ಇಲ್ಲ. So you write 1 into 5y minus 2. ಏನು common ಇಲ್ಲ. So 1 common ತೆಗ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Write 5y minus 2 as it is. See, we have 2 expressions here. Right now, children? See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 5y minus 2, 5y minus 2. Both are common. Alva? Eradu common ide. Take it outside the bracket. 5y minus 2. So, idu hodre nimge estide illi 3x ide plus illenide namge 1 ide. So, you can write it as ನಾವು ಎರಡನ್ನು bracket ಹಾಕಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಈ ತರ. So, these are the factors. Next, third question, children. ax plus bx minus ay minus by. So, xx ide, y ide. So, you can take common factors, group them. Now, what is common in both? X is common in both. Take it outside the bracket. We have a plus b here. So, ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, we have a plus b here, and this side also we have to get a plus b, but we have minus sign here. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ದಿರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ we have a plus b here, and this side also we have to get a plus b only. Okay, but we have minus sign here. So ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮೈನಸ್ ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? y is common. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ y ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಾವು ಮೈನಸ್ y ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? a ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ y ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ a. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇದೆ ಆತರ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆತರ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ತರನು ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ y ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. Now we have a plus b. Take it outside the bracket. A plus b is common in both. What is remain here? X, and here it is y. That is equal to a plus b and x minus y. So sums ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Don't worry. We'll do one more sum. 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 15p. See the terms, first two terms, 15 is common, no problem. But here 9q and 25p is there. Is there any common here, children? Common factor? There is no any common factor. So our time alli naven madbodu. Already I told you we can interchange the numbers. Okay, along with the sign anta helidini. So en bartini pq plus 9q ಇದನ್ನ just interchange ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. plus 15 or write 25p plus 15. Okay, so 15 ನ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೀವಿ. Now group 2 terms, children. What is common in both? 9 and 15 are multiples of 3. 3 table ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Write 3 as common. P ide, Q ide, Q is common, right? So what is remain here? 3 1s, 3 5s are. Write that 5 here. P plus 3 3s are 9, right? Q hogide. So this is your answer. 25 and 15 both are multiples of 5. Okay, 5 tegitira. Then 5 5s are 5p plus 5 3s are. See, we got 5p plus 5 3. Take it outside the bracket. What is remaining here? 3p plus. What is remaining here? Now idana common tegididvi, plus 5 irutte. Okay, so our answer is 5p plus 3, 3p plus 5. These are the factors. Next to last question in the main. Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. See here, we have xy here, ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, right? Z ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು xy ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದು z ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ z ಮೈನಸ್ 7 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ z7 ಮೈನಸ್ z ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ xyz ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Minus xyz minus 6, right, shift the term along with the sign, children, don't forget. Minus xyz na il barkondidivi. Okay, next plus 7xy, take this minus 7. Okay, or now xy term next ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ xy ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಮೇಲೆನೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರೈಟ್, minus 7 plus 7xy. ಓಕೆ, xyz ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇನ್ ಬೋತ್? z is common in both. Take it outside the bracket. ಸೊ z ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ what is remaining here? So 1z is common, so xy. Understood? So we have to get 1 minus xy, but here we have plus sign. Namge plus xy common barutte, artha madಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Plus ide, but we need minus here. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We have to take minus as common factor. Then we have 7 here, take minus 7 as common factor. Now minus, so what is remaining here? So minus 7 common hogide, plus 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Plus becomes minus 7 is common, xy. Understood children? So minus common ತೆಗೆದಾಗ just signs ನ change ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. xy 1 minus xy minus 1 minus xy both common. 1 minus xy into write z minus 7. This is your answer. Okay, children. Still here we have done. I think all of you understood the concept, how to write the prime factors and how to take the common factors. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.